guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Natalie and I'm a travel blogger, filmmaker and a content creator.
I make videos for my YouTube channel. The name is Nathalie's World. Thank you for watching my videos, guys.
In my channel, I share interesting videos about trips around the world and amazing places to visit.
My goal is to create exciting and informative videos for other travelers so they can prepare their own trips. That's why my travel and wildlife videos are interesting and informative. And that's why they can be also used as educational videos to learn about the world and nature. I'm originally from Russia, but I have lived and traveled to many countries in the world. So now I can truly say I am the citizen of the world. To start with, I lived in Shanghai 3 years. Before China, I have lived and studied in Germany.
Hallo meine liebe Freunde, ich bin Nathalie. Willkommen zu meiner deutschen Serie. Heute ich bin in Hamburg.
And now I live in Thailand. I love traveling and exploring new countries and cultures and showing the beauty of the world in my videos.
I really like those statues because they look like Thai traditional dancers, and I really like Thai traditional dance. I love how they do these movements with their hands. I hope all my wishes come true. I will pray to the goddess Guanyin.
So far, I've been to many amazing places in Asia and in Europe. Beach houses, and this is called 12 hostels, and you can see just behind there are 12 hostels. Exploring nature, hiking and diving. National Park. Also, as a nature and animal lover, I engage a lot in various activities to protect environment, flora and fauna for our future generations.
Oh my god, it's so cute. I can touch the shell. First time I see this kind of turtle.
This big tree is called crabback tree. This is the biggest tree in Thailand. It's more than 700 years old.
We were very lucky to see this koala with little baby. It's so cute. As I told you guys, there are antlers, and you can see there are two pretty antlers. So guys, if you wanna help elephants, if you wanna preserve these beautiful big animals, please don't ride them. Don't ride. Guys, let's make the earth clean. Let us not throw plastic in the oceans. Let's keep these beautiful places clean for our future generations, okay?
And recently, I've become a bird watcher.
I share my passion for bird watching in my pictures and my videos.
Asian open-bill stork. I will try to approach him. He's sitting on that pillar. Let's go, let's go. He's so really cute. Asian open-bill stork.
And that's the one, Copper Smith Barbie. It's the one which is doing ooh, ooh, ooh. Just listen, he's speaking now. He's speaking now like this. Look at him. Look at him.
So excited! I am so excited. Guys, it was my goal to spot the greater Kukal. And finally I got him just near my balcony. Near my balcony here. There he is. In fact, there are two.
And recently, I've been published in New York Times Magazine. I hope you will love my videos and share my passion for traveling and nature.
If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, do it now.
Not to miss any other upcoming videos. I'd like to thank you guys for subscribing and sharing and all your support and love that you show me in this channel as well as my Facebook page. It really motivates me to continue shooting those videos for you guys.
Do you want to discover the world? Join me in the next adventure in my world, Nathalie's world.